Hey guys, it's Mrs. Moorhead. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Math About Me assignment. The first thing that I want us to do is I want us to look at this top part here. See where it says letters in my first name? That's the first one we're going to look at. So I'm going to fill in what I would fill in if I were completing this. You're going to fill in what you would fill in. So if your name was Hannah, Hannah, that would be 6 letters. So that's what you would put there. My first name is Emily, and that's 5 letters. So I'm going to click right here to edit this document. I'm going to delete, and I'm going to put the number 5. Now, for your last name, my last name is Moorhead, and that has 8 letters, so I'm going to put in the number 8. Continue on here and fill these out. The number of people in my family is 4. I have 1 pet, a dog. My street number, so the house that you, or the apartment, or wherever you live, your street number is going to be those first couple of numbers that are in front of your street address. So mine is 323. My zip code, everybody's going to have a different one. Most of them are going to be 42001 or 42003. Mine is 42001. My birth year, so the year you were born, I was born in 1987. And my age, I am 33. So you're going to plug those in depending on your street number, your zip code, all that good stuff. So now we're going to start looking at some of the Math About Me stuff. So it's important that you fill this in first so that you can go ahead and complete those things down at the bottom. The first one says round your zip code to the nearest 1,000. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have a piece of paper I can use to show you all, I'm going to go up here to my Chrome extensions, and I am going to find Page Marker. You can add this to your Google Chrome extensions if you would like. I'm going to use the Page Marker, and that's going to let me draw on the screen so that I can show you all how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to use my pencil. All right, I'm going to round my zip code to the nearest 1,000. So there's my zip code. I'm going to write that over here, 42001. Excuse the handwriting. It's hard to write on here. I'm going to underline the thousands place. So the 2 is in the thousands place. Now, remember, I'm going to look to the right of the number, and that 0 is going to tell that 2 what to do. So 4 or less, we let it rest. 5 or more, we raise the score. That 0 is going to let that 2 stay a 2. So that tells me that I need to go down here, and I'm going to round that number to 42,000. Right there, 42000. That is that number rounded to the nearest 1,000. Now, the next one says write your street number in word form and expanded form. Let's look at my street number here. So if I read that number as 323, that's the word form. Word form is just how you read the number. So word form is going to be 323. Okay? Expanded form is if I were to break that number apart into the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place, and I added it all back up together, what would that look like? I'm going to make that font a little bit smaller so that I can fit everything in there. So now let's look at expanded form. That number in expanded form is going to be 300 plus 20 plus 3. Okay? So now remember, that is because that's my address, my street number. Yours is going to be different. Find the sum of your birth year and your street number. Sum means to add. You're going to add those two numbers together. Down here, this one asks about the difference. Difference means to subtract. Multiples are you're going to multiply. And then the last one is to find the product. You're going to multiply those two numbers together here. I'll check back on later.